Patrick calling Rick to ask if he collect the money
Hello.
from Western Union.
Hello. Well, go on, chop chop. Brother, I from 3 up about 10 hours now, me I call you, 3 times from morning, If you ask the I say if the I collect the money at Western Union. Yeah, man. Because me the want you for sure you say, me send a little 150 out of it for too sweet. Hey, Patrick. So, are that you call life, man? Are that you call life? Brother, you don't even know where reach me from morning, You don't even know where reach me from morning. Yeah, man. You don't know where reach me from morning, man. Why you easy yourself, because you don't know where reach me. Me I tell you, say from early, after me collect the money, me left and go to the street fi go run taxi. And me I tell you, say a woman beg me drop her off in a one lane. Me I tell you, say me bust me tire and broke me rims. From morning, me there the place, I fix the rims, brother. Right now, me hungry and thirsty and tired, me I tell you, man. They don't want to hear nothing right now, man. Because me I tell you, say me ignorant right now. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man, you come like a peer crosses the palm, me, man. Me I feel all I wonder if I wobble then wobble me, as me get a little money, it just gone, so. Eh? Yeah, man. Well, boy, you have to just go on easy then, You have to just go on your bed. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tomorrow we talk then, brother. Tomorrow we talk. Rick, me catch you right where you draw stay right now, Rick. Because me get fi understand say cornbread come down this morning. So maybe a she you go pick up and done off the money. Because me know that girl though she love money. And you come and a come go on like you want style man. But no worry yourself man. No worry yourself. I don't go hope you can't work pan and me no hear nothing more about no money.